Over the last couple of years, during the pandemic era, the work-from-home movement exacerbated the already tight housing market with folks looking for more space. Now, as we've headed back to the office, the single-family market is cooling. It's no surprise that we're seeing that correction now, with DS News reporting that single-family home prices are down nationwide 8.6% year over year, with Irving, Texas in the lead at a 22% drop. Here's the interesting thing, though. The condo market is down only half as much as single-family, as they are viewed to be a more affordable option. Quote, as a result, the trend that is becoming increasingly evident is that house prices are falling almost twice as fast as condo prices. In fact, the evolution of single-family home and condo prices in the 100 largest U.S. cities shows that increasing demand for condos makes prices in this segment hold up much better than single-family home prices. Now, with that in mind, maybe it's time to refamiliarize yourself with those condo complexes in your area. Dust off the old CCNRs, those HOA docs, and in particular, check out their finances and their owner occupancy rates, and then consult your local go-to lender to make sure that they are eligible for traditional financing. Then get to work marketing to your local condo co-ops, letting them know that their particular market is heating up. Let us know if you're seeing the same trends in your market, and as always, we're here to help.